Hello, Grayson. Hello, baby penguin. What book you want to read today?
Monster under the bed.
Check it out.
Spooky monster under the bed.
Spooky monster.
Why spooky monster under the bed? Why?
Đâu làm gì có con gì ở under the bed?
No, the monster under
Where?
the bed.
That's a cat.
Why the cat lying in the blanket?
Because he want to sleep too.
And the monster under the bed.
No, that's books. That's some books. Come on.
Monster under the bed, yeah?
No.
Inside, inside.
Inside. Grayson has the night. Grayson has the night. Good night, Grayson. Every day ends the same. Night always falls. Good night, mommy.
Daddy, you are celebrating the monster.
Grayson does not like the night. Actually, Grayson hates the night. Why does Grayson hate the night?
I don't know.
So, Grayson puts on a concert to chase away the moon and wake up the sun. Boom, kaboom, kaboom. Yes, what is this? What is this?
I don't know.
It's the drum. Drumming. Bum, 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 bum. He's so silly. Stop that racket. Bedtime. But it's not the sun. Grayson wakes. Who did Grayson wake up?
I don't know.
Who this? Ai đây? Mommy.
Mom.
The night is such a pain. Don't want to sleep. Everything is great. And you're not supposed to play. So when you get to the bed, what should you do?
I don't know.
You should sleep. You should close your eyes, right?
Why?
To the bed, my little songbird. Time to sleep for baby birdie. Not, but not for only me. Sleep, sleep, birdie, sleep. All night long, you watch, I keep. The moon is only good for hanging up your pajamas. Grayson wants to horse around. Grayson doesn't want to sleep.
Why?
See that? Grayson, back to bed and hop to it. Who's that?
Mommy.
Exactly, mommy. Grayson is a bad boy, huh? He doesn't want to go to sleep. Grayson in this story, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
Easy peasy.
easy peasy. Now let's see. Oh yes, I can hop to it. Hee hee. My bed is my trampoline. Trampoline. And it's my slide carrying me away. So up high where sun never hides. So up high to the land of midnight. Good night, Grayson. The end.
I want to read them more.
You want to read another book? We have a lot of books. You want to what mommy do best?
I want to read them more.
Here, which one you like?
I don't like it.
Oh, you want to read this book one more time?
Yeah.
Come on, sit down.
Can I sleep on your lap?
sit on my lap?
I can carry this.
Yeah, well,
You did, and I sit on your lap.
mm. Grayson hates the night. Good night, Grayson. Every day ends the same. Night always falls. Good night, mommy. Grayson does not like the night. Actually, Grayson hates the night
Why he hate the night?
because he couldn't do anything when everybody go to bed. So he cannot sing, he cannot shout, he cannot play because it's late. He needs to go to sleep. Okay? So Grayson puts on a concert. So he scare
The cat.
the cat away. Okay? To chase away the moon and wake up the sun. Boom, 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 boom. See? He tried to chase away the moon. Stop that racket. Bedtime! He's mommy. But it's not the sun Grayson way. He wakes up mommy. Do re mi, don't want to sleep. The night is such a pain. Everything is gray, and you not supposed to play. Too bad, my little songbird. You cannot sing. Okay? Time to sleep for my baby birdie, but not for only me. Sleep, sleep, birdie, sleep all night long.
No,
You watch our kid.
I want mommy.
Hmm?
He's one mommy.
The moon is only good for hanging up your pyjama. Grayson wants to horse around.
Pass around, see?
Horse around like play around. Grayson, back to bed and hop to it. Oh yes, I can hop to it. Hee hee, my best in my trampoline.
That's so silly.
That's so silly. And it's my slide carrying me away. So up high where the sun never hides.
I make
Up
a
so high
camera.
to the land of midnight. Good night, Grayson. Grayson, you want to sit by yourself? You grown up. You big enough to sleep by yourself.
I'm a grown up baby.
Okay.
Move it.
Huh? You want to pick one more or you want to find your mommy? Okay, pick up the book. I read one more for you. Come on. No. You want to pick a new book? Lion and the.
I don't like it.
You don't like this book?
Mhm.
Okay, that's fine. Go find your mommy.
Like this.
We do it tomorrow.
Oh.